Hey friends, if disk cleanup is stuck on Windows Update Cleanup, then how would you resolve it? Now, before going to the solution, let me explain the problem. You open disk cleanup, okay, and then you clicked on cleanup system files, you selected C drive, it started scanning, and at this stage it says Windows Update Cleanup, but it didn't go further. So in this case, two solutions have helped hundreds of users. So I will stick to them and I will guide you through them. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane and then select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter and let it do its job. These days the Windows Update Troubleshooter directly starts detecting problems rather than redirecting you elsewhere. And the next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Now this will need a while. As you can see, it is verification at 3%, then 4%, and so on. Let it complete the scan and after that restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.